Yeah, you don't want to go out there. Alright, Piggy's got food and water. Piggy's got food and water. Cow's got food and water. Look at this one here. Come here, Joy. Let's try one more time, huh? Let's try one more time. Watch, I'll go to sit. You see? Come here. Come here. Come here. Huh? No. She's not wanting it. It's like telling the boyfriend, get away from me. Alright, let me out. I'm all done for the day. Everybody's got food. Everybody's got water. Scooch over there, pigs. Hippie chick mama will be happy to see that her piggy's up and running around. Ah, see, it's a good thing I came back in here. I forgot about the meat. Look at them little kitties. Bert's on top and Boo's in the box. Big kitties. Okay. Well, thanks for coming along. I'll carry this down. The big kitties. Wait till Robin sees that tree. Oh, I gotta switch arms. There we go. It's a good thing I didn't put my sap buckets out last night. I wanted to. I kept thinking about it. But I'm thinking those empty buckets would have been blowing all over, I bet. Lids flying around, buckets missing. So, there's another trip on the farm, everybody. Hope you had a good time. I'm going to go inside and have a cup of coffee, I think. And put my groceries away. Have a good day.